Good day and welcome. Today we will be labeling some arteries of the stomach, liver, and spleen. This beautiful illustration is from Netter's flashcards on anatomy. Let's label the different images here, starting with number 1, the abdominal aorta here, from which number 2, the celiac trunk arises. The celiac trunk here. The celiac trunk has three tributaries or three main branches. Leftmost here, labeled as number 13, is the left gastric artery over here, left gastric artery. More anteriorly, number 12 is the splenic artery, And rightmost, the third tributary of the celiac trunk or the celiac axis. Number 9 is the common hepatic artery. One mnemonic to remember the tributaries of the celiac axis is FLASH, LSH. L stands for the left hepatic artery, S is the splenic artery, and H is the common hepatic artery. Okay. Number 4 here is the cystic artery. The cystic artery supplies the gallbladder over here. Number 5 is the hepatic artery proper. The hepatic artery proper arises from the common hepatic artery. 6 is the right gastric artery. 7, the gastroduodenal artery. 8 here, more inferiorly, is the right gastro-omental, also known as the right gastroepiploic artery. Then here, leftward, we can see the left gastro-omental, aka gastroepiploic artery. And 11 here are the short gastric arteries. Finally, we can see again the three tributaries of the celiac axis from left to right. We have the left gastric artery, the splenic artery, and finally the common hepatic artery.